Many people have been commenting about how they were surprised I haven't crashed my new Ducati V4 yet. I got it in January and started racing it with CRA in April. Well, now it's July and it finally happened. I crashed twice in one weekend. I'll show you what happened on the crashes first, and then I'll show how much damage they caused.
You suck.
So this first crash happened on the track day before the races. I thought my weekend was over and I wouldn't be racing because the bike was damaged. But to my surprise, the bike really didn't have that much damage at all.
The foot brake is fine. I don't use it anyways.
Yeah.
And then I need a lever guard.
Let me see if Bentley has one.
So the rear brake foot lever was bent, the fairings and engine case cover are scratched, and the brake lever guard is broken. The only one that would prevent me from racing would be the brake lever guard though. Luckily, Aunt Lee from Racer 411 had an extra on hand and was able to get the bike race ready again. The second crash was a lot worse because the bike ended up flipping, which caused a lot more damage.
Wow. That sucks.
I knew my weekend was over after this crash. I could tell that there was a lot more damage on this one, or so I thought.
It did not take this crash like a champ, like the last one.
No, it didn't. I mean, it just looks like fairings though, to be honest.
Yeah, what's this squirted all over the top too? That's from the
Well, there's no more brake fluid reservoir.
So the damage from this crash was fairings, the brake fluid reservoir, and the headlight stay. I probably could have sourced another brake fluid reservoir and got the fairings back on, but my next race was coming up soon, so I decided to call it quits for the weekend. So the fairings had a lot of damage to the connection points and the wings were grinded down quite a bit. So I ordered a new fairings kit from Beverly Hills Ducati, which cost $1,400. I ordered a new headlight bracket at a cost of $200, and I ordered a new brake fluid reservoir at a cost of $50. So the total cost of these crashes was nearly $2,000. I had an upcoming track days event that I committed to attend, but unfortunately the headlight bracket and the fairings were on back order, so I had to piece the bike together and get ready for the track day. So here's the bike pieced back together. The fairings came off, but I was able to get them back on with some zip ties. They actually held up pretty strong during the track day I just went to as well, so no real damage. The only damage that I couldn't fix was this front fairing stay is missing one side here, but I got one on order. It's coming in with the new fairings that are coming in that I don't even really need. I could just still use these ones, but we're gonna get some new ones. Lieto factory is gonna wrap them. The only other damage was this brake lever guard here, which is still working to be honest, and the ASV unbreakable levers. They didn't break, they just grinded down a little bit, but that's it. So 2 crashes, only cosmetic damage, and the Ducati's still rideable, so it doesn't look as good as it did before, but when you go further away, it doesn't look so bad actually. People were surprised that I was able to get it back together so quickly.
Looks like it went together pretty well.
You should have left fucking Bud & Willow in pieces.
I think you crashed twice now.
I did, man. Twice.
I hate that concrete too. Every time I go there, I'm like,
Hey, but
You know, I didn't know there was 2 concrete patches on the
neither did I. I
track.
just knew about the one.
I found it out though.
Now I know.
You're getting ready to go out on your first session back on the Ducati after your 2 crashes at Bud & Willow Classic. We're back at Bud & Willow, but we're at the circuit track.
Yeah, I'm excited we're at the circuit track, which is the new track in perfect condition, and we'll see if the Ducati holds up. The fairings are pieced back together here, but I think they're on there pretty solid.
I mean, they seem pretty solid. I think we did a good job.
We'll see if they survive 160 miles per hour on the straightaway. So the fairings held up for the track days event, but I'm excited to show you how the Ducati will look at round 5 of the CRA races on September 5th, when it will have the new fairings with the new Lieto factory wrap on it. Sign up to race at racecra.com. See you at the Bud & Willow circuit on September 5th.